So here I am talking about animal adaptations. You can be giving just a straight lecture where you could just be talking over slides. You can pull up your webcam, which is down here, and this could be kind of resized to anything you want. All right, you can do a screencastify where only kind of your webcam is shown, and just be talking to the students, giving information. Or like I said, you can have this kind of just resized small off to the side while you're talking about whatever it is on the screen. And then this particular Screencastify video can be shared on a Google Doc, Google Slide, embedded like the TikTok describes.